Looking for a used car in Hillsborough County, Florida? Let's make it easier. This Hillsborough car buying guide walks you step by step through smart used car research and decision-making. From Tampa to Brandon, Riverview, and Plant City, know your local commute needs. And adjust your search accordingly. Build a realistic budget. Include your payment, insurance, Florida title, and registration tax, and long-term upkeep. Check the vehicle history, get an inspection, and look for issues like wear or flood damage before you buy. Take your top choices for a test drive on city streets and highway conditions to get the full feel. Have a trade? Knowing its equity can reduce what you owe and lower your tax burden. Explore financing, traditional loans, or second chance options if your credit needs work. What is the 8% rule when buying a car? It means your monthly payment should stay under 8% of your gross monthly income. What's the best guide for buying a car? A local guide that walks through pricing, inspections, and Florida paperwork in one place. What is the 20% rule? Aim for at least a 20% down payment and finance no more than 4 years to keep equity higher. What is the best month to buy a car in Florida? Typically end of year and winter months like January through March offer better deals. Browse Hillsborough used car inventory, schedule a test drive, and buy with confidence today.